Whoa. Whoa. My goodness. We'll just make it go out this way. Boop. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do the doTERRA unboxing for June 2020, and I'm excited because this is like Christmas in a box every time I do it, and it came in 2 different packages because sometimes the warehouse ships things out separately whenever they have something that may be out of stock, and then they kind of ship it later. So this is the PB Assist. That's right. Probiotic assistance supports your digestion and your immune system with prebiotics, which feed your probiotics. And then the probiotics are beneficial microorganisms that support your digestion and immune system. And you can see them right here. There you go. So I take this as a part of my supplement regimen, and I absolutely love it. We're going to continue now. We're going to open up this box of goodness. So doTERRA LRP is kind of like I said, Christmas in a box, and supports a wellness lifestyle so you can, you know, not get ready, but stay ready for life's little emergencies. And I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we're going to start off with... Haha, what is this, you may be asking? Well, I will tell you. This is the Smoothing Conditioner. And you may be like, Lance, I don't know if you looked in the mirror lately, but there's no hair up top. Well, it's okay. And that is because this is for guests whenever they come to my bathroom and use it. And this is a really awesome solution. So it provides immediate conditioning, smoothing, and shine with a proprietary blend of essential oils for healthy looking hair and scalp. That's right. A conditioner that's all natural and in the economy size. That's right. Here we go. We're going to continue. I also got some body wash because I was running out of the little bottles that I had. And so this is a great way to energize yourself with essential oil infused body wash that provides a rich, cleansing, aromatic, spa-like experience. And I love the smell of this. It's good to use with a loofah rag. One of those are really great for exfoliation too, and circulation. But yeah, this is awesome. Love it. We're going to continue. We have the products that I got. Bubble wrap, right? We got some bubble wrap. Here we go. Da-da-da-da. The Lifelong Vitality Pack, the vegan version. My 3 amigos. Every month I take these. I absolutely love them. This is the Microplex VMZ, so this fills in the gap from what you don't get from the standard American diet or the SAD diet. And as you can see here, there's lots of plant-based vitamins, minerals. There you go. And they are chelated to make sure that they are more absorbable into your cells, because it's not just what you eat, it's, you know, if it's absorbable. So you can see there's also the proprietary whole food blend, and then we keep going down, the active enzyme blend to break down fats, carbs, sugars, proteins, fibers, and then the doTERRA tummy tamer blend. So that's caraway. It has also ginger and then peppermint. So there you go. One of the 3 amigos. Very importante. There we go. Working on my Spanish. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there we go. Next one is the VE Omega. So this is omegas 3, 6, and 9 to support your brain, your joint, as well as your muscle function. And you can see here there are some vitamins. There you go. It's kind of glary, but you know, I'll kind of scroll down here so you can see slowly. And then we have the vegetable omega blend. Then we have the carotenoid blend, the CPT essential oil. So there's 9 of them in here. And so we have clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, caraway, and German chamomile. All, again, to support your brain, joint, and muscle functions. Very, very important. Also filling in the gap from what you don't get from the standard American diet or the SAD diet. Next, or lastly, here we go, of the 3 amigos. Whoa. Whoa. My goodness, we'll just make it go out this way. Boop. All right. I got really intense really quick. Alright, so this is the Alpha CRS Plus, natural source of energy, without caffeine, without sugar, from plant-based botanicals and extracts. You can see here, there is the Cellular Longevity Blend here. We have the Cellular Energy Blend, and then the doTERRA Tummy Tamer Blend. That is the ginger, peppermint, and caraway seed. So if you didn't see any of that, I'll just kind of scroll it again here, so you can see it this way. Well, you know, there's a little glare, but boom. I also have done videos on every single product, so you can just YouTube search my name and then the product name in the search bar. Alright, now let's get to the oils. I have been missing some of these. We have lemon and, oh yeah, and we have lime as well. So we have lemon and lime. There you go. Love these. I love using these in my green smoothies, as well as, you want to use glass or stainless steel if you're taking them internally. And then lastly, if you go outside and apply these topically, just make sure to use sun protection. Ideally something natural with zinc oxide and other natural ingredients. But yeah, lemon and lime are great. Absolutely love these for cleansing, for detoxing, for uplifting, and these are a great combination together. Next, we have a couple others here. Alright, we have the wild orange. This is citrus month. These are all going to support my immune system, that's why. And I'm also using them in my green smoothies and my waters. Again, this is going to be for detoxing, for uplifting, and to support your cellular health. And there you go, wild orange, the happy oil, also known as. And then lastly is the product of the month, and it's Niaouli. Melaleuca type of oil, it says here. Well, can you see that? Yeah, it says Melaleuca. So it's like cousins with it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to smell this because this is a new oil. And I got this free because of the free product of the month is any 125 point order, you get a free product of the month. So let's smell it. Let's go. I'm going to let you smell first. You do the honors. Alright. How is it? Yeah? Oh, okay. Let me try. Okay. Wow. That is an interesting smell. Wow. It's kind of like Melaleuca and eucalyptus had a baby. That's kind of what it smells like. Benefits? Lots of them. Make sure to check out doTERRA's page, or you can check out some of the links in my description below, and that'll probably have some more information too. But yeah, wow. I like that. That's kind of uplifting too. Alright, there you go. Niaouli. And then that concludes everything. Now my next step for the doTERRA LRP is really just to, unbox everything. Oh, it's already been unboxed. Is to unwrap everything to remove the barriers to use, because the less barriers to use there are, the more likely I am to use them. And that means just, opening up every single thing like this and taking all the packaging off and, just doing all this and getting them in like my little capsule holders as well. I have little capsule holders for AM and PM for all these. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then recycling if I can. My area where I'm at doesn't recycle, so I'm really sad. But yeah, recycle, whenever I can, and then go from there. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure to click the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I will see you in the next video. Ooh. This is my doTERRA LRP page, and it's important to update your cart if you already have a wholesale membership to make sure you're being prepared for life's little emergencies. And with July or Independence Day coming up here in the US, it's important to not only be independent with your healthcare, but have natural solutions that are safe, effective, and affordable. And this website is very important to have. Speaking of websites, reallyfreewebsite.com is a great way to get a custom solution for your side business or hobby. This service allows you to create 3 free websites using the latest landing page and funnel building software. No credit card is required ever, and all you need is an email address for lifetime access. This is the perfect solution for stay-at-home moms, side hustlers, or anyone with an entrepreneurial bone in their body to promote their businesses. You can even get paid for recurring commissions for referring new members using your new account. Click the link in the description area below to learn more today.